Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by making sure your iPhone can share mobile data, enable cellular in settings, and confirm your plan supports tethering. Once done, open Personal Hotspot and toggle it on so other devices can see your iPhone. Make sure to set a strong Wi-Fi password. This protects data and prevents unwanted connections. Also note the iPhone name displayed. That's what others will join. You're taking control of security and availability before actually connecting any client device. Now, connect a device. On a laptop or tablet, select the iPhone's Wi-Fi name and enter the password you created. You do this because Wi-Fi is convenient. However, if you need more stability, use USB or Bluetooth, pair the devices in settings, or plug in a lightning cable for direct sharing. Once connected, you'll see the blue hotspot bar on your iPhone confirming active sharing. If speeds lag, move closer to the iPhone or switch to USB for lower latency and steadier throughput. Finish by managing connections. Watch the connected devices list in Personal Hotspot and disconnect any you don't recognize. If a device can't get online, toggle cellular and Personal Hotspot off, then on again. Often that resolves network handshakes. Make sure your carrier permits tethering, some plans restrict it, or restart both devices if problems persist. As a quick fix for interference, connect via USB. It bypasses Wi-Fi issues and gives a stable link. That covers setup, use, and a key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.